Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. But today I want to show you the new Robinhood.com, or the web version of the Robinhood app. It is now live for, I believe, everyone or most users. It has been out since December, and I've been waiting in line. I got my notification about a week ago and have been kind of messing with it since. So this is the home screen of your Robinhood.com account. This is my account right now. We're up 200% since August of this last year, August 11th, and this is just a great, cool, just platform to use online. I wanted to give you my first impression of it and just show you some of the benefits. So right off the bat, when you get here, you'll see when you log in, you'll have your stocks on the side and you'll have your main portfolio screen. Your stocks, as they are in your Robinhood app on the phone, are going to be as listed here on the side. On the right, and you could scroll through them if you want. You could still click the three little dots and show the change for today, percent wise, as well as the current price and the equity that you have total in it. So very cool little feature. I like to do current price at the moment, and then right off the bat here, this is where your notifications are going to be like they are in your mobile platform. So if I just click to learn more here, it's going to bring up the Robinhood Now web, and basically it says it's been open since November 1st. I'm sorry, I said December a minute ago. And it's on web. It's introducing a powerful new platform with research and discovery tools, and this is amazing. I've been using the mobile app since August. I really do like it. And basically, here's some of the highlights. It's going to have collections now, which was not available in the mobile app. It discovers new stocks through collections, such as a gas and oil, basically little tag, an entertainment tag, social network tag. There's also some that are 2017 IPOs or female CEOs. And actually, if we go over to here, if you click on one, let's say I click on Lexington Realty Trust. These are the tags it's talking about right here. It's going to show a star for you. It's going to show a finance tag, and it's going to show a RIT tag, or a right. Basically, this is a real estate investing, and it's going to show you a list of all the different real estate investing companies in here. You could also do something like it said, female CEO, and it'll come up with the collection here instead of a stock ticker symbol, and it'll say female CEOs, and then that's what it's going to show you, like AMD, GM, IBM, Lockheed. I bet half of my viewers, and even me right now, didn't even know that these were female CEOs, which is amazing. It doesn't, it's not good or bad. I have no preference on the matter, but it's just cool to know that there is a collection for just specifics of female CEOs like Mattel, NASDAQ, PG&E, Kohl's, Ulta Beauty. These are all companies that are that have female CEOs. So anyways, let's get back to some other stuff on here. Price paid for each stock. View the average share price Robinhood investors bought at, as well as the current share price. This basically helps investors thinking about entering a position and when they should. So with that said, if I go home and say I just want to pull up DNR, then DNR will actually have here at the bottom, it'll have a collection: oil, gas, natural gas, North America, energy. But it'll also have a price paid on Robinhood, and this is what we're talking about now. Average price paid is around $2.42. Right now, it's 19% higher than the average. So this fluctuates. This little bar here fluctuates up and down with the price. It's at $2.89 right now. Market price $2.87. So it's just adjusted and went down at 18%. So that's a really cool feature. It shows also what people also bought when buying this, kind of like eBay. When you go on eBay and you buy a laptop, it says maybe you should also buy a mouse or also buy a case. This is basically what it's saying with the DNR, and that is going to be down here at the very bottom. So whoever bought DNR, some people bought Chesapeake Energy, Southwest Energy, Seadrill, and Kinder Morgan. So that is definitely a cool feature. I'm not sure if that's just if that's like good necessarily to advertise stocks or to like suggest other stocks based on what people bought, but I guess, I mean, it shows you, it kind of opens your mind up and shows you more stocks that are available, or maybe some stocks you never knew even existed. So that is definitely a cool feature. The analysis rating, which was also not on the mobile, view buy, sell, and holding ratings from Wall Street analysts, and read commentary from Morningstar analysts. So Wall Street and Morningstar are really good. They're very reputable. It's going to say right here, buy at 8%, 8% of 12 rating, hold at 83%, sell at 8. So right now, a hold-buy ratio is really good for new investors. That means you can buy. It's 8% saying to buy, but if you're already bought in the past, it's saying 83% to hold. Now, if it has different news, market news, something happens, different rating comes out, this might go all the way up to sell. It might be like 50 or 80% sell, and the hold will go all the way down to like a 0, and then buy will also go up. So it just definitely depends. You can still see all the regular information, the earnings reports, the history of my purchases, as well as people who have also bought this company, like I was saying earlier. The collections, about, shows the CEO, Christian S. Kindle, the amount of employees, where the headquarters is located, when it was founded, and all that great information right here at your fingertips online. I really like this setting. I really like this platform. It shows your earnings still, your EPS hits or misses going back 8 quarters, which is really cool. Did I see that just now? Let's see your earnings. Yeah, see, so you go back 8 quarters instead of 4. It was only showing the 4 quarters on mobile. So now you have a little bit more insight, as well as news and fundamentals. Read the latest headlines and market coverage, which is basically on your home screen, I believe. If you just scroll down a little bit, it shows you recent news and top movers, which is also a really cool feature. I like that it shows top movers for the day. I know it used to on mobile, but sometimes it would only show it like at the very beginning or at the very end of the market day. And so now it shows it overall all the time. You could also go to show more, and it'll show you your top movers. And I believe there's a way to look at top losers. I think you could just type it in actually. Top losers. No, you can't. Well, that's okay too. But shows the top movers, and then this is your main screen here. It shows you 100 most popular, and it shows you price paid per share. So definitely a lot of cool stuff. This has already been liked 3,000 times, and if you want to subscribe to more news and updates, you can. This is just on their main website. If you can even click on home, about jobs. They do have cryptocurrency trading on here now. They have a lot of information. You could just simply go to the website and sign up, or you could click the link below on my video, and if you do, you will get a free share for signing up with my link, and I will get a free share. So that is pretty cool too. But other than that, guys, I think the video is getting a little bit long. I'll probably wrap it up here in a minute, but I wanted to just show you a couple more things on here. It shows for you, once you click out of that little thing about their homepage, it shows for you. So it's actually showing you companies that are suggesting, because of companies you've bought, I'm guessing. So it's just suggesting other companies, or maybe companies that you've already bought into, because I have gotten GoPro before. The top movers is really cool. Recent news is all on your home screen, and as you're scrolling, you're still able to see your main stocks. You could use and scroll both screens, and then if you go down far enough, you could see your watch list, and same deal with your watch list. You have the different areas, and basically that's it, guys. Your home screen is this here. All in all, you know, I'm up 200%. You can go to notifications and see different transfers, and you could also see like the $500 that I took out. and different dividends that are pending. If you go to account settings, it's basically the same options you have for your mobile device, and you can go to summary, and it shows you this really cool area here. It's a pie chart, and the pie chart's really cool because it shows you the percentage right in front of your face what you have. So 10% of my total $500 is in MU, another 10% is in O, another 10% is in FB. This tiny little piece here is cash, which is $1.12, and then this Sprint stock was just a free share recently at 1% or $5. So it's very accurate. I like how it shows your equity, your total returns, your average cost, everything right here in front of your face. You could also click on them like Century Aluminum and see, oh my goodness, it's up 14% today, which is amazing. I bought in at 16.38 a while back, so I'm actually up total return 17% on this trade for $2.82. Very, very cool. Shows abouts, shows collections, price paid 4% higher right now than normal, earnings estimated and actual. People also bought these companies, and I could review my order here anytime I want. So that's why I think it's also a really great feature on the platform. It's quick, and you could do a lot with it. You got your banking information, your history right here. You got documents that could be important to you, and of course you got your settings. So very cool stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I give the first impression a thumbs up on this video, and you guys have a great day.